Hello, everyone, and welcome once again to Lucky English for Beginners. I'm Sonia.
And I'm Ali. It's always nice to have you join us for another helpful chat.
Before we jump in, just a quick note. If you're enjoying these clear, relaxed explanations of English, please tap the like button on this episode right now.
Yes, and subscribe to Lucky English for Beginners. Every subscription helps you stay consistent and helps us keep making content just for you.
Today's topic is one that causes a lot of questions.
Definitely. We've had several messages asking us to compare can, may, might, and could, especially when they all seem to talk about possibility.
And if you're one of the people who asked for this, yes, we're talking to you. Thank you for letting us know what you need. We really value your suggestions. This channel grows because of what you want to learn.
So today, we're going to carefully compare can, may, might, and could, their meanings, their feelings, and exactly when native speakers choose one over the others.
No complicated charts or long rules, just straightforward explanations and the real-life sense behind each word.
By the end, you'll know why sometimes people say can, sometimes may, sometimes might, and why could changes everything.
Not perfect mastery, but real understanding you can use right away.
And understanding beats perfection every time.
Every single time. All right, let's go slowly and clearly.
Nice and calm. Ready, Oli?
Ready. Let's start. First, what is the main feeling each one carries?
Can, present reality, directness, ability or strong possibility, informal. May, formal permission, medium possibility, polite or written style. Might, lower possibility, more doubt or uncertainty than may, tentative. Could, past ability, politeness, hypothetical situations, distance, softening, imagination.
Very clear starting point. Let's begin with can for possibility.
Can is used for general possibility based on known facts or real-world logic.
So it's quite strong, almost like saying, this is possible because we know it happens.
Exactly. It feels factual and present-focused. Can also shows real ability or informal permission.
Now, may. When do people choose may instead of can?
May is more formal and polite, especially for permission. Impossibility, may shows a medium level of chance, more likely than might, but not as certain as will.
So may feels a bit more official or careful.
Yes, you see may more in writing, in polite situations, or when the speaker wants to sound neutral and not too direct.
And might?
Might expresses even lower possibility, more doubt, more uncertainty. It feels tentative, speculative, or cautious.
So the certainty order is
Can, strongest/factual, greater than may, greater than might, weakest.
Now, could. Why is could so different?
Could has many layers. It can show past ability, very polite requests or permission, hypothetical or imaginary situations, or softening to sound less direct.
So could often creates distance, either time distance, past, or politeness distance.
Exactly. Could reduces pressure, sounds gentler, more respectful, or more imaginative.
Let's compare them directly in possibility.
Can. It can rain in Lahore in February.
We know from experience it sometimes happens. Factual possibility.
May. It may rain tomorrow.
50-50 chance. Neutral, medium possibility.
Might. It might rain later.
Lower chance. More doubt, more cautious guess.
Could. It could rain this afternoon. Possible in theory, often used for imagination or softening, less certain than may.
Yes, could feels more open-ended or hypothetical. Now, permission, how do they change?
Can, informal permission. Can I use your charger? Friends, family, casual.
May, formal permission. May I use your charger? Strangers, teachers, office, polite situations.
Could, very polite permission or request. Could I possibly use your charger? Extra respect, softening, distance.
And ability.
Can, real present ability. I can swim.
Could, past general ability. When I was young, I could swim very fast.
Could also for hypothetical ability. If I practiced more, I could swim faster.
Requests. How does politeness increase?
Can you help me? Neutral, direct. Could you help me? Polite, softer. Would you mind helping me? Even more polite, though not our main for today.
And in negative form for prohibition.
Can't, informal prohibition. You can't park here. Strong, direct.
May not, formal or rule-based. You may not enter without permission.
Might not, low possibility of something happening. It might not rain after all.
Could not or couldn't, past impossibility or polite refusal. I couldn't sleep last night. I'm sorry, I couldn't possibly do that.
Perfect summary.
One quick rule of thumb to remember?
Can, real, direct, informal, present facts. May, formal, medium chance, polite permission. Might, low chance, more doubt, cautious. Could, polite, past, hypothetical, softening, distance.
Beautiful. That makes it so much easier to feel the difference.
Exactly. It's not about strict rules. It's about the tone and social feeling you want to create.
Listeners, go back and think of one situation where you could use each one.
Say them out loud and notice how can feels strong and real, while could feels gentle and careful.
If you'd like, we can do a full episode next with lots of real-life sentences using all four in Lahore-style situations.
Just let us know in the comments.
Thank you for spending this time with us today.
Thank you. If this cleared up the confusion between can, may, might, and could, please like and subscribe to Lucky English for Beginners.
Have a wonderful day, everyone.
Keep speaking. Keep noticing how these small words change everything.
See you soon.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.